Hello everyone, this is Lena from Premier Team Real Estate. I'm a realtor in Austin, Texas. However, today I am standing in Richmond, Texas. So most of my clients are in Austin, but I have a few clients that actually would like to invest and purchase properties down in the South area, which is closer to Houston. So Tara, I'm here helping them out and closing a house on my clients. And this model that I am standing in front that just was sold for my clients about a week ago, and it is called a Lena model home. It has 4 bedrooms, 2 baths. It's 1,802 square feet, 2-car garage, and 1 story. A special about this home is lot is located in a really nice backyard, and it has backing up with a pond or a little lake, and in the community called Highland Springs by Starlight builders. So right now I would like to tour you the house quickly, and if you have any questions about purchasing home down in this area, I can also help you as long as it's a new home. So my information is in the back of the video. If you have any questions, you can feel free to put your comments or call or text me based on the information at the end of the video again. All right, please tour with me around this house. Well, thank you again everyone for watching my channel. If you like the contents of this video, please click like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Wishing you and your family have a nice weekend and hope to see you soon. Bye now.